I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
See, I wasn't hesitating when I said you're gonna see videos of the truck pretty soon. Today we are going to be changing out these crusty old taillights on my 1997 Toyota Tacoma, and we're gonna put in new Spyder LED taillights. So it just looks a lot better in my opinion. These are the ones that I chose. So let's get started. And I do know that it's like putting makeup on a pig just because the rust and all the little things, but let's do it anyway. So all you get in the box is just the two taillights. There's no instructions because you really don't need them. And they're tightly packaged, so that's definitely a nice first impression. So you can see that these ones I chose were the red and clear ones, but they are the dark tinted lights. I like them, but I personally would have chosen a lighter tone, probably just like a stock looking red and clear instead of the dark tint. All you're gonna need is a drill or a Phillips screwdriver, but a long one. Now taking out the taillights is really simple. There's 4 screws that hold it in place, and all you have to do is unscrew them and the whole fixture just comes right out.
Although it's been said many times, many ways.
The most frustrating part is the main plug that controls the taillights. You really have to force the tab to go down all the way with a screwdriver or something to pull the plug out. But after that, you're golden. All you need to do now is just plug in the new taillight and install it. But before that, you need to supply your own reverse light. I used 1156 LED bulbs from Oxbeam, who also are sending me LED headlights for the Tacoma. And while I was at it, I installed LED turn signals, just to complete the look.
Many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
So now you can really tell the difference. The brake lights are a lot brighter, just like the turn signals. The reverse lights don't work at the moment just because the reverse light switch on the transmission is bad, but I did order it and I do have it and I will install it, but I don't think I'll make a video on that because there's already a really detailed video of that whole process that I'll link in the description or in the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just see how much nicer the new taillights look. Now there's a bunch of yard work and stuff going on in the background, but these just look so much nicer. They make it look newer, I think. I mean, yeah, we have to get a new tailgate strap for that, but that's nothing. But it just makes it look a lot nicer, and I don't know. I just really like how these taillights look, and the fitment is actually really good on them. And yeah, I just really think that they make it look like a completely, well, not completely, but a different truck. I mean, I also put in LED reverse lights from Oxbeam, which are sending me headlights, and I put in LED turn signals as well. So it's a full LED setup, and I really think the whole thing together looks really nice. And yes, the next video will be me replacing the bumper. At least the next 2 videos, one of those will be replacing the bumper. And I do have the bumper in the back right here, so all shiny. Got it on eBay for 160 bucks. Brand new, came with all the hardware and everything. So yeah, and with the bumper I have LED license plate lights. So there's a whole lot of stuff to come, and then I have new headlights coming in the next few weeks. But yeah, and if you are wondering, there are also LED side marker lights on the taillights as well, just if you're wondering if they're dot required or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little refresh video of the Tacoma, and there's gonna be a lot of more stuff coming, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.